know about that.
And compassionate.
Well, maybe compassionate.
What you doing here, Zach Flowers?
Bringing you guys animals. I called you guys.
Because why?
Because we were going to have to euthanize them.
Let's go see who you brought. Kim, tell us a story about how these dogs happen to be alive today.
Well, instead of getting useless kitchen utensils, I figured it would be a better use of people's money for them to donate to Animal Village instead of giving us actual wedding presents. And my goal was to raise about $1,000, and I think we just about got it. So it made me really happy, and maybe it's something that I've always wanted to do ever since I was younger. Instead of wedding gifts, is to help out an animal shelter. So. You guys are the best in town, so I figured I'd help you guys out.
So you started your new life with Rico.
Yes.
And you gave back 14 lives to these dogs. How does that feel?
Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic.
So this is where the rescue started Friday,
Yes.
with the bringing of all of these little chihuahuas who made space for the big dogs to stay alive over the weekend. is amazing. Where's she going? Say thank you, Kim. Thank you for my life. Yeah, she's opening the gate. Next to the cheese? Okay. Have her goat cheese. Isn't she beautiful? Say thank you to Kim. Poor Kim, she saves him and then she has to train him. Her job is just beginning. You want to go put her in? She's going inside the kennel area? Where's my boy? Where's my boy? Do you have any advice for folks who might be getting married or?
Communication. That's about it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Be reasonable.
Yeah, and you've been married what, 2 days now?
Yes, 2 days.
So you should have a lot of advice to pass on. Thank you, Kim. So Zach, this is the gal who, instead of wedding gifts, she asked people to bring money for Animal Village to her wedding. And she raised $1,000 that way. We were able to step out in faith and pay for part of the beds. So what do you think? You were the one that was going to have to euthanize them this week, right?
I was.
So what do you have to say to Kim?
Thank you. Thank you, because that actually, it's very hard to have to euthanize that many animals, so I really appreciate it. It's an invaluable service.
And thanks for bringing them out, Zach, and thanks for calling us and letting us be a part of it. Kim, what are your thoughts looking around all these lives that would have been, these dogs would have been in landfills? If it
It makes me really happy because there's a lot of dogs that really deserve a second chance because they really didn't do anything to end up there in the first place. So, and a lot of them, they're just misunderstood and had bad owners to begin with, and that's why they end up in the shelters. So I'm glad that they do get a second chance with responsible people and people that are actually going to train them to do what they like.
So you gave them their lives back. Now what has to happen?
Now they have to get adopted and trained, kept the second time around.
Okay, thank you, Kim.